Eastern Henderson County, Northern Warren County, Mercer County, Southwestern Henry County, Northeastern Des Moines County, Iowa, Southeastern Louisa County, Iowa, until 4 a.m. At 3:16 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shale City to Seaton to Garland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monmouth, Aledo, Ocatawga, Burgess, Mediapolis, Viola, Morning Sun, Millersburg, Kirkwood, New Boston, Keithsburg, Joy, Little York, Rosetta, Seaton, North Henderson, Oakville, Shale City, Toolsboro, and Lake Warren.